So, once you've set up your courses and users, you're ready to enroll everyone in their respective courses. The My Students section is where all the enrollment magic happens. This section not only helps you manage all the student and instructor roles, but it also displays each user's profile with all their essential info. Adding and removing users from the LIMS system is a breeze too. The My Students panel gives you access to some pretty handy tools. First up is the Add Enrollment tool. This tool lets you add students and instructors to multiple courses at once. Convenient, right? Next, we have the Enrollments tool. This tool shows a list of all the enrolled persons in different courses. You can sort the list by time frame, and clicking on a row will show you individual enrollment details. Want to export the info in various formats? You can do that with this tool as well. Finally, we've got the Students tool. You can use this tool to view a list of all the students and instructors added to LIMS. You can filter the list based on the attributes defined in the admin section, and clicking on a row will show you all the details of each user. You can even set up new users for the student and instructor roles.